Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn about project browser settings in Revit. For that, let's start with a new model. Click on new and then let's select a template file. Go to browse and let's select system default metric template. Click on open and create a new project. Okay. After opening the new project or the template file, you will see in the project browser we have views and disciplines. So all the views in this particular template are organized according to their disciplines. This is the general practice. Okay, if you want to change these settings, right click over views disciplines, go to browser organization, and then here in the views tab you can see all the views are organized according to their respective disciplines. If you will select all and then apply and then click OK, you will see all the disciplines are not visible now, and only visibles are the respective floor plans, ceiling plans, 3D views and elevation. If you will open the floor plans, you will see the disciplines under the floor plans or all the disciplines under the ceiling plans. So this is because in browser organization under the views we have selected all. It means only the floor plans, ceiling plans, 3D plans or the elevations will be visible and not the disciplines. If you want to organize your project browser according to disciplines, select on discipline, and as I've said you before, this is the general practice in Revit. We generally use organization of project browser according to the disciplines. Then click on OK, apply and OK, and you will see the disciplines are back. Okay, now in this case, let's learn everything about project browser organization from the scratch. Right now we have this three disciplines, as you can see: electrical, mechanical and plumbing. So right now in this case, let's open the plumbing, open the floor plans and let's delete them. Select both the plans, delete from the keyboard. Open the 3D view, select delete it. Elevations, select all the elevations, delete simply. Now let's open the electrical. We have two subdisciplines in the electrical discipline. As you can see, the lighting. Open the lighting plans, select delete. Ceiling plans, select both of them, delete. Open the power, open the plans, delete. 3D views, open them, delete. Delete everything. Okay, now we can see we are left only with the mechanical and one subdiscipline, HVAC. Okay, if you want you can delete them also, but it will create a lot of work again. Let's open the elevations, and in any of the elevation you can see we have level 1 and level 2 by default level created in this template. Okay, so now let's see how to create those disciplines back. Okay, for that let's start first of all with the electrical discipline. Okay, for that I will select the floor plan from the HVAC or the mechanical. Right click and then go to duplicate view, click on duplicate and let's select second mechanical. Right click, duplicate view and duplicate. Right now we have two duplicate floor plans. Let's rename them. Right click and then rename. Let's rename them as electrical. Electrical. And now the second one, rename as second electrical. Okay, so we have created one electrical and second electrical, but the discipline is mechanical, which is not right. So now let's change the discipline. Select the first electrical, go to the properties, and here you will see we have this discipline mechanical. change the discipline from mechanical to electrical. Okay, and same with the subdiscipline. You can see we have lighting and power. Let's select first of all lighting. So now you can see we have created a discipline electrical with a subdiscipline lighting. Now let's go for the second plan. Select the second electrical. The same process will follow. Select the discipline as electrical and then subdiscipline as lighting. Okay, so here we have made the changes. We have created the discipline electrical with subdiscipline lighting. Okay, if you want, you can create some more subdisciplines under the electrical. For that, let's create some more copies, duplicate copies of this electrical floor plans. Okay, and now you can rename them, let's say power. Okay, and the same goes for the second. Rename them and write power. Okay, now the same steps will follow. Select the first power. The discipline is electrical, which is right, but the subdiscipline we want power. Select power. Okay, now with the same second power, subdiscipline will be changed to power. Now as you can see, we have created the discipline electrical, the subdisciplines lighting and power. The last but not the least, we have to select the floor plans and we have to apply the view template properties to the respective floor plans so that we can get the maximum out of Revit. So after creating the subdiscipline power, you can see here we have the one power and the second power. Let's select the first power and let's go to the properties. In the properties, you can see we have view template. Right now it is none. So now we have to apply the view template to this particular floor plan. For that, click on none, and here in the names you will see electrical plan, and in the view properties, if you will come down, you will see here we have the subdiscipline power, or you can select it. If you don't see it, click on apply and OK, and you will see the first power plan will have view template electrical plan. Now let's select the second power and the same process will follow. Select the electrical plan and in the subdiscipline you have to select the power. Click on apply and OK. The purpose of selecting the view templates for this particular plans is to get the maximum views settings out of Revit during the work process. Okay, now let's try to create some more subdisciplines. For that, let's go to the mechanical HVAC. Here we have the first mechanical. Right click on first mechanical, then go to duplicate view, click on duplicate, and now let's second duplicate view, duplicate. Okay, now let's create firefighting subdiscipline. Right click over this floor plan, rename it as, let's say, one fire protection, and then with the second name will follow, rename second fire protection. Okay, after creating these two fire protection plans, select the first fire protection plan, go to the view, go to the plan views, go to the floor plan, select on edit type, and here click on mechanical plan because we are under the mechanical discipline. Click over here, and here you will see on the bottom we have subdisciplines. These are by default subdisciplines, so we have to create a new subdiscipline, that is fire protection. So write fire protection in place of HVAC. It will show you no matches, but it's okay. click on apply and then okay, apply, okay. Okay, now you will see here we have the one fire protection. Select it again and then go to the properties. In the subdiscipline you have to select fire protection in place of HVAC, and you will see we will get a fire protection subdiscipline and a floor plan. Okay, now let's do the same with the second fire protection plan. Select it over and then go to subdiscipline, select fire protection. So this is how you can create subdisciplines also, and same thing goes with the view template. Select the fire protection plan, and here you have the view template. Select the mechanical plan over here and you will see subdiscipline. If you want to make the changes in the view properties, you can change it over here, like the view scale and different visibility graphic properties and so on. Click on apply, okay. Same with the second fire protection, view template, mechanical plan, apply, okay. So this is how you can customize your project browser in Revit and can create your disciplines and subdisciplines. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.